What is PowerPoint? You all just open your books in front of you and come to the page number 37. More on PowerPoint 2010. Few things we have discussed, but again I am going to remind you. PowerPoint is a tool. This is the tool present in MS Office, and it will give you to color, highlight, to present your ideas in different ways. There are many softwares available in the market, but PowerPoint is very convenient and easy to learn. Anyone can easily use this software, and this is available for free sometimes also in some cases, like from Android mobile phone you can use PowerPoint and you can use it in your mobile devices. It will work in Android also, it will work in computer also. Now this is the presentation tool. Presentation means whatever you are presenting that you will create by yourself. What do we mean by PowerPoint 2010? There are different variants. 2003 is also present, 2007 is also present, and 2010 is there, 2016, 2019, 2021 it is also present in the market. They have added few more features in every variant. So according to your system that will be supported, means I am not telling you all that 2021 or 2016 version will be supported in your computers. If your computers are old, 5-6 years old, then 2019 and 21 version of this MS Office will not be supported. So 2007 is the very light version that everybody can use. Any system it will be supported, and 2010 slight advanced version it is. Few options will change only. So if you have Windows means Office 7 in your computer, no problem, you will get the same outlook, but few options may be changed, that I will tell you. And if you have 2010 or 2013 or 16, then few buttons will be changed, or few designs or templates may be changed. That is not of very much use. So that we will discuss also. Now in this first point, inserting a table. This is the presentation, and in this first point it is given. So what do you mean by table first? In MS Excel, you know rows and columns are there. From upside down, this is columns, and from left to right or right to left it is rows. What is the property of columns and rows? Column will always hold similar type of values. Let's an example, it will be more clear to you. It is name, it is class, it is DOB, date of birth, this is address, and this is phone number. So in name, all the names will be there. In a class, all the classes, and in date of birth, only date of birth will be there. In phone number section, you will write all the phone numbers of different peoples. So this will hold similar type of values, but rows will not hold similar type of values. In rows, you can see this is name, this is class, this is date of birth, this is address, this is phone. Every cell is having different value. But when we are talking about column, so all these columns will, all these cells will hold phone numbers only. Got this? So column will hold always similar type of values, and a row will hold always different type of values. It is clear? Now in MS Excel, how will you insert table? That I am going to show you. Now in this section, please you come this side. Here you can see in your computers you will start dot cp Now in this you can see this is the PowerPoint presentation, and in this you will go insert, and here you can see tables. So first you have to click here or here, the way you want to present your presentation. The title you can write and the subtitle you can write here. Then you have to drag your mouse. The number of cells you will cover, the number of cells will be inserted. You can see I have not clicked anywhere, I have simply dragged my mouse. I am dragging my mouse from upside and downside. I am dragging my mouse. So you can choose the number of cells from top to bottom, and if you want more cells, like I have covered all the cells in this, but if you want more cells in this, then you can click here insert table, and you can type here number of rows and columns. So you can type some more numbers, 50 also you can type, but it will be very small cells will be shown to you. This is the first topic which is given here. Now in your book you can see number of columns and number of rows it is shown. The small dialog box which is showing, it will be shown to you from here in table, in insert table. When you will click, it will come. Okay, so you will type your number and number of rows and columns. Now I have given you permission to ask any question till this point. If you have any doubt, any question till this point, you can ask me. Sailja, switch on your mic. Any confusion you have?
No, sir.
Okay. Now this is the way through which we can insert a table. If a small table is there, then you can drag your mouse simply, or if a big table is there, then you can go to insert table dialog box and you can type your desired rows and columns. Then that will come in your table, and you can drag it according to your wish. You can place it in your computer. Now in the second topic, how will you insert a slide and what are the different formats of slides? Basically there are different formats are prepared already. You can make your slide, your design by yourself, or you can choose some prepared design from your computer also. So I am showing you. Now in this presentation you can see this is placed here. You can take your mouse and you can see plus symbol will come. Just take your mouse and drag it upside, then it will go upside. Now one more small technique I am telling you. When you will select this, you will get the line, straight line, and with the help of arrow key also you can move this. But when it is dotted line, it will not move. You can see I am pressing up and down arrow key, it is not moving. So you have to remember this, that if dotted lines are coming, it will not move. Again you have to click on it. Now you can see straight line is coming, now it will move. Got this? It will move with the arrow key. So you have to click 2 times on the edge of any selected area, then it will move with the arrow key. Second thing, swastik, don't use your keyboard or mouse, just see here.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, my brother.
In this we can insert some prepared design also. In home, when you will go, in home tab upside, new slide it is. Now you can see different types of new slides are shown to us. In your book it is given. This dialog box will be shown to you. You all are getting this figure now? This is given on page number 37. Now this is the default design: title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption and picture with caption. These names are very important because in your examination directly these kind of questions may come that write at least 4 slide names. So you have to remember these names, at least 4 or 5 you have to learn, because these kind of questions may come in your exam. Let's an example, I have selected this. When you will select the slide, you will get the slide in front of you. Kusagra, don't use your mouse, otherwise I will remove you from the class. This is the slide which you have selected. Now you can see upside title, you can type, and here these are the small icons which will give you direct access to the particular section. Let's an example table. This is a chart, this is smart art, and this is your pictures, this is your clip art, and this is your media. So you can use this in your presentation directly. Now you are free to speak. Anybody is having any question till this point? Anybody wants to ask any question? No. Agrima, can you hear me? Everything is clear? Everything is
Yes,
okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Swastik Gupta, switch on your
Yes,
camera.
sir.
Pratyush, switch on your camera. Pratyush, switch on your camera. You all students, switch on your camera, and this time if you have any doubt you can please ask me. Pratyush,
Sir, I have no doubt.
okay, good.
Sir, there are two Kushagra Pandey. Sir, you can.
Yes.
Sir, you can tell again because of network connection I have lose.
Okay. Pratyush, you are not switching on your camera. Cell is the cross-sectional area
Okay.
which will be formed with the horizontal and vertical lines. For example, this is the vertical line, this is the horizontal.
Sir, I have one doubt.
1 minute, 1 minute. In the cross-sectional area, okay? This is formed with the cross-sectional area, so this is called cell. Okay? One cell will hold one data. Yes, beta, who was asking?
Sir,
Yes, ask me.
Sir, what we have to do in this when we have to open this in computer, then how we can open?
I have shown you, beta, everything that how you will open. Let's see again. See, this is the slide. Yuga, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
This is the slide. In insert, you will go upside, and in
Yes, sir.
table, you can drag your mouse so that table will come. Got this? Second
Yes, sir.
option. In home tab, when you will go, in new slide option is there. Just click on it, and different approx 9 different slides will be there. You can choose any one of them. Like I am choosing this one. It is changed now. Then
Yes,
I
sir.
am choosing this one. Now you can see this is changed now. So like this
Yes,
you
sir.
can choose
Sir,
any
sir,
different.
I can't. Sir, but I can't. Sir, but I can't use.
This may be the problem in your computer. First check your MS Word.
Sir, 1 second, I am checking.
In MS Word also you can insert tables and pictures. Okay, or in MS PowerPoint also you can do this. So first
Yes,
check
I'm
your MS
checking.
Office, it is working properly or not. If your computer is virus affected, then
Yes,
it
I'm
may
check-
not work.
Yes, I am checking my laptop.
Yes, I'm checking on my laptop.
Now come to the next point, entering data in a table. Entering data in a table means when we have inserted a table like this, so how will you enter a data? Means name, class, roll number, anything. So this also you can see here. Let's an example, these are the slides. So I have deleted these slides. Now this is the slide. I have deleted this also. Now I have placed this upside, and here you can insert the table or you can use it for any other purpose. So insert, then table, I am inserting this. In this table layout or design, you can choose different size and area for this. Like if this design you like, then this design. Yugang, this is the last warning to you. I will remove you from the class if you will not now. Why it is coming? Insert table, and in this table upside you can position it anywhere. Here I have positioned, and now you can give any value, and then you have to click on the next cell, then you have to give any value, then you have to click on the third cell, then you have to give any value. For coming downside you have to click and you have to give any value. Again, if you will not go to the next value, if you will not click on the next cell, your entered value will be in the same cell. So again and again you have to select the cell, and then you can enter the value in that particular cell. Otherwise your value will not go in the next cell. Okay, in the same cell it will be increasing. Got this? Okay. Now students, in the next it is given the steps which I have shown to you. You can insert the cell, and then after you can select the cell to enter the value. If you are not selecting the cell, then your value will be in the same cell, and it will be a long value. It will increase the height and width of the cell also. Second thing, table tools. Table tools are used to just make some designs, changing colors, and you can make it big or small also. So this is the use of table tools. This is ना, ये पूरा वो steps लिखा है जो हम लोग अभी कर रहे हैं, वो steps लिख के बताया है. Now in table tools, I am showing you the table tools in your computer. Now in this table tool section, you can see upside design and layout. In your computer, upside you can see here design tab. It is selected here, design tab, and this design will come. So this is your design tab. It will come only after the selection of table. If you will not select your table, This time table is not selected, I have clicked somewhere else outside the table, so my design and layout tab will be hidden. When you will select the table, then only design and layout tab will appear. Okay, so sometimes students are finding these tabs. Sir, in my computer it is not showing, in my computer it is not present. So first you have to insert the table, and then after you have to select the table, then only it will come. Again I am showing you, I am clicking on this selected area, and you can see these two tabs are now hidden. It will be appeared only after you will click on the table, design and layout. In this design you will get these options. So all these options are only used to modify the table. As you can see here, I can select the different designs. If you want more, I have these many designs. And one more thing I am telling you for your information, in the beginning also I have informed you, these many designs may not present in all of your computers. If you are using Office 2007, so you will not get these many designs. If you are using any other version, 2016 or 13, then you may get some more designs also. This is up to the version of your software which you are using. Second is your layout tab, which is the next photo, layout tab. है ना? In the layout tab, you can perform some basic operations like delete, insert above, insert below. So what is the use of this insert below? Let's an example. You can see, as I am clicking, it is increasing the number of cells. Insert above, you can see the place where you have selected. Let's an example, this is insert above. It is not showing because everything is blank. When you will type something, it will be shown to you that insert above or below. Then next is your left and right. You can see, as I have selected left, it is coming from this side. As I am selecting the right, it is also, cells are increasing. So if you want to increase one by one your rows and columns, you can use this also. Second thing, you can select these many cells and you can use merge cells. Merge cells means this is one cell only. You can see all the lines are now deleted. These are different cells, but this is one cell only. Now it will be clear to you, these are different cells and this is only one cell from here to here. So merge cell option will be helpful to you to join the different areas of cells. Okay, this is used to type headings basically. Please sit down. Now students, I have allowed you to start your mic. Please, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Turn your pages to
No
the
doubt.
Yes, Kusagra?
Sir, I have nothing doubt.
No doubt. Okay. Now any other student, anybody wants to ask anything? समझ में आ रहा है? MS Office के अंदर MS PowerPoint होता है उसको. Any doubt beta? I have given you 1 or 2 minutes to ask. No?
No sir, no doubt.
Okay.
No sir, no doubt.
Formatting a table style. So this also we have done and I have shown you also. Now in this क्या है? देखो table style. In this table style, how will you change the style of table? Means after inserting, if you forget to insert one row, so एक पूरा का पूरा रो कैसे insert होता है, and how will you insert one column that will change the style of your table? जैसे कि in the starting you have inserted 3 row 3 column, and after entering data you can insert one more row, one more column. So basically that will change the style of your table. ठीक है. So how will you insert? In the second tab, in the layout tab, you have button to insert rows and you have button to insert column also, from left and right, from top and bottom. So that you can use. To change the table shading, so color also just I have shown you. In table designs, shading means what? Shading means colors. Okay. So how will you change the color of table? I have shown you. You can go to design section and you can choose the shading table style group, and then you will find the different designs. Once again I am showing you. आ जाइए देख लीजिए आप. In design, in table option you can see this shading. Okay, if you want to change the color directly, you can choose any color. Like you can see color is changing, but if you want any custom color, you can go to shading and it will give you color also. Got this, beta?
Sir,
It is green now. If you want any other color, you can choose any color, or more. This is the means option giving you to just move your mouse on these color palettes to color the selected area. So you can choose this area. Yes, beta. This you
sir,
have
we
to
can do
choose.
any color.
Yes, any color you can use. Now you can see. In custom you can move your mouse, and in this shaded you can use the palettes which color you want. Okay, you can see downside is now of the different color, है ना. So this is basically used to shade the table, to change the color. To apply the border, let's an example. This is the table. Let me delete it first. Now this is the table, and in this table if you want to apply border, then you have to go to the design tab, then in table style, and you can see here border. In this border you can use different types of border which you want, like all border. So all border means you have to select the table and you have to click here all borders. Now your table will have dark borders. Okay? If you want to use any other type of border, you can use outside border only, or you can use top border, bottom border, left border, right border. So this will give you the line in your table which side you want, and diagonal down border, diagonal up border, this also you can use. For the same you have to select the table first, and then you have to choose the border, and then you have to use, let's an example, this one. So you can see, if you want to draw this kind of line, diagonally created line, then you have to use this. Anybody have any question? Any question from your side? No. Now you can see by default my border is of black color. So if you want to color your border, then you have to click on design, and first option you can see shading, it is given, so from here also you can use, and then you have to use any one from these, like this one or this one or this one. So
Sir,
everything I have shown you, and this is the option given in your book.
sir,
Yes.
then the screen is not bigger than the ma'am, sir, the column. So what do we do to
Uh,
adjust the column into the screen?
देखो, the column which you have inserted, if you will insert a less number of columns, then you may enter your values easily, but I have entered more number of columns and rows to show you only. Okay, that's why it is showing like this. If you will insert less number of rows and column, then it will be small. Okay.
Yes.
Now border color, you will go to design, then you have to select the pen, and then you have to select the color from here, and you have to drag your mouse like this, you can see. Okay, with the help of this you can insert the cell as well, and you can choose the pen color, and then it will be like this. Now it is clear to you? You can do this manually, and
Yes,
you can do this directly from the insert row and column also. You
Sir,
can use
what-
pen also, you can do this. Yes, beta?
Sir, what is power?
Yes, tell me. Speak loudly.
Sir, it is PowerPoint.
Yes बेटा, it is PowerPoint. अभी तक आपको यही नहीं पता है कि हम लोग कर क्या रहे थे. This is PowerPoint, okay? Now, I have only 4 minutes. If you want to ask any question, please ask me.